Hey everybody, this is Tyler McBroom and welcome to episode 7, the first of 2016 for Measured Results TV. Happy New Year everybody, hope you had a great holiday, and now that it's 2016, that means it is time to start thinking about tax filings. Specifically, the most looming deadline for your business is the 1099 and W-2 filing deadline. And that has a couple different elements to it that we're going to go over today. So as you may have noticed, we're in a new location in actually the corner of my office. We got a nice whiteboard up here to do some illustrations. So we're going to take that whiteboard and discuss some penalties and due dates for your W-2s and 1099s. So I'll speak at you so you can hear me. So W-2s, let's start over here on the left. The due dates for the W-2s are that you have to send it to your employees by January 31st. That means it has to be postmarked in an envelope with the W-2s to your employee's address or hand delivered to them by January 31st in order to be considered timely. On the IRS's side, there are two different deadlines that you need to have it sent to them by, and that is if you're paper filing, meaning you're mailing in all your copies of your W-2s, you send it by February 29th. That's right, this year's a leap year. If you're e-filing the W-2s, then they have to be sent by March 31st. That's sent electronically. 1099s, now the difference between 1099s and W-2s is W-2 is someone that you cut a regular paycheck to, you withhold payroll taxes and income taxes on, and send those to the IRS. A 1099 is an independent contractor. You have to send 1099s to anyone over $600 that you paid that year that is not a corporation. If you paid them $650 to perform a service, say, some printing or creating a logo or any sort of service that they may perform for you that's over $600, you have to send them a 1099. And you must send them a 1099. The recipients on a 1099, the recipients and the IRS's due dates are the exact same, meaning February 29th is the date if you're sending a paper copy to the IRS that you must send the IRS and the recipient their 1099, and then if you're e-filing them, they have to be done by March 31st. So, and that's a lot of kind of dates, but hopefully you'll be able to go back to this and revisit those. If you don't send them on time, what are the penalties? Well, it kind of changes depending on when you send them, but just remember 30, 60, 100. So if you file within 30 days, this is the same for both W-2s and 1099s. If you file within 30 days of the due date, it's a $30 per W-2 or per 1099 penalty. That can get pretty hefty if you've got a lot of 1099s that you need to send out. Now, if it's after 30 days or before August 1st, then it jumps and doubles up to $60 per 1099. And per W-2. If you file it after August 1st, then it's $100 per W-2 and per 1099 up to a maximum of $250,000 depending on how many 1099s you have. So, obviously it takes a lot of 1099s to get up to $250,000, but that is the maximum penalty. The other one, if you don't file at all and willfully neglect to file those, it's a $250 per 1099 penalty up to a maximum of $500,000. So those are the penalties. Those are the due dates. If you have questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Happy New Year. We're excited to see more of you in 2016. Our goal is to do 100 episodes of Measure Results TV, so looking forward to seeing you more often. Thank you very much. Happy New Year.